Dear students, last period we have studied second definition of derivatives, Leibniz definition, or can be stated as Leibniz theorem, and some elementary theorems on the derivatives and application of that theorem in the examples. Now, today we'll study how we'll apply this Leibniz definition or Leibniz theorem for the proof of this elementary theorem and other theorems which we'll study in further lectures. Now, dear students, I will introduce myself to you. I am Professor G.V. Jagdari Gaikwad. Lot of the experience in engineering and mathematics. I passed BE Mechanical in 1990. I worked in industry in Cooper Foundry for planning engineer, then in Abhijat Equipments, design and development engineer for A25 automatic machine, in Radiance Tools tool engineer, and then unfortunately I held in this teaching field. Now I have taught a lot of the subjects, engineering subjects for degree and diploma, applied mechanics, all the mathematics, degree engineering mathematics, M1, M2, M3, M4, etc. Also diploma engineering mathematics, basic mathematics, applied mathematics, engineering mathematics. Engineering subjects I have taught strength of material, applied mechanics, engineering graphics, machine design, machine tool design. So lot of the theory of machine, etc. Now we have now when our education time or that time, the teaching must be without any experience, without seeing the books. So you must be preparation in the mind and on the spot. You want to teach the students. So students also are very clear. So that's why we are teaching the subjects without any without reference of the books. We are not reading the books and tolding to you. Now it is actually as I am engineer, our teaching of the mathematics is in the thinking mode, imagination mode, systematic. Now actually in the machine design, our consideration there are some considerations in the design. So design that is you must be the what are the requirements of the engineer? So engineer must be systematic. Engineer must be use the simplification, standardization, variety reduction. So all these engineering concepts I am using while teaching the mathematics, and that's why original mathematics is different than all other mathematicians. If you observe all other videos and originals video, you will understand what is the difference in the teaching of originals mathematics and other videos or other lectures. Now I request you now actually I know that here the limitations for online teaching for the mathematics. Actually, always I keep in the mind mathematics is the fundamental due to which this is the development. So what may be the development? What this computer is coming, different machines in lathe machine, milling machine, grinding machine, etc. Civil engineering designs, software designs. The base of this, all this development is the mathematics, and that's why actually mathematics, if we learn by the teacher in front of, then it is actually this coordination. Online we are teaching, but what is the feeling of you? We don't know. Then also, I have tried my best level while making the videos. The explanation, I am giving the very much explanation so that you must be the clear ideas, you must be the, your concept must be clear, and by using these methods, you मैं ऐसा कहते हैं मेथड पकड़ लो, सिस्टम पकड़ लो, ओरिजिनल का सिस्टम पकड़ लो, ओरिजिनल का मेथड्स पकड़ लो, और वो मेथड्स माइंड में रख के यू इमेजिन करो, यू थिंक करो, यू ऑब्जर्विंग एग्जांपल्स, यू रिकॉल द मेथड्स, you will be able to solve the examples yourself. So in short, the original is lot of the experience. Actually due to corona, you are मिस कोरोना से तुम्हारा तो बेनिफिशियल हो गया, कोरोना की वजह से हम ऑनलाइन वीडियो डाल रहे हैं, तो यू टेक द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ दैट, बट आई रिक्वेस्ट यू, you please subscribe the videos so that you will get the next continuous videos, because now we are making a number of the videos. So you are now in suppose 12 standard or 11 standard, you will 10 standard, 9 standards, you will get the idea. Or you are preparing for the any JEE exams, CET exams, BEAT exams, you will get the benefits. You will get the benefits, your concepts will be clear. Now main problem in the mathematics in this, due to this corona, for mathematics very much problems, online is very much limited. I know this number of students are not studying the mathematics at all, they are observing the videos of maybe biology, chemistry, physics, etc. But the mathematics is the problem, students are very much weak in the mathematics. Actually that is very dangerous for the world as well as for India, that for the next development very much problems are coming. Then also, if you observe the original videos, your concept will be clear, and if you do the practice, daily sometime you give this for the your self practice. So you observe first video, suppose for example limits of algebraic function, you solve some examples. Then you observe the video of trigonometric function, you solve some examples. So in this way, systematically you go this limit first, then continuity, then derivatives. So in sequence, systematic way, I put in the videos. So you subscribe the videos. First you subscribe the video. So if you subscribe the video, you will get the continuous videos, and you are perfect in the mathematics. This is beneficial to you for 12th standard, JEE, CET, BEAT exams. Also for engineering, when we go to for the engineering, for engineering mathematics also, we are very much stronger in the engineering mathematics. Complete mathematics in our mind, and you will get the very systematic understanding, very simple understanding of all the concepts of the matter. So you first subscribe and then observe all the videos. Thank you. Now today we'll see proofs of the theorem by using the Leibniz theorem. So one first theorem, suppose if you take y is equal to uv, you know this, then dy by dx is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Now if we prove this theorem, proof. So let y is equal to given function, that is the uv, y is equal to uv. Let delta u, delta v and delta y be very small increments, in u, v and y respectively, with respect to increment delta x in x. Therefore, y plus delta y. So this y is changed to y plus delta y. Then u is changed to u plus delta u. Similarly, v changed to d plus delta v. So that is equal to, we get uv plus u delta v plus v delta u plus delta u delta v. Same theorems are applicable in strength of material for second year subject, for mechanical, production, civil engineering. So delta y is equal to, our requirement is you want to find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, this from first principle, limit delta x tends to 0, delta y upon delta x. So our requirement is you want to find here delta y. So delta y is equal to, get y plus delta y minus 1. So that is equal to y minus y gets cancelled. But now we'll put this value y plus delta y. So uv plus u delta v plus v delta u plus delta u delta v minus uv. So that is equal to, now uv gets cancelled. So u delta v plus v delta u plus delta u delta v. Therefore, delta y upon delta x is equal to, so that is actually what is the required. So you know what is dy by dx. You keep this in the mind. Dy by dx is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, delta y upon delta x. So you want to find the delta y. So for this particular function, we are finding. So with one theorem, you can do this other theorem also. So delta y upon delta x. Which order part नहीं करने का वो, theorem part नहीं करने का वो. Logics, you develop the logics and original giving the logics to you. So you observe the videos thoroughly. वो एक बार 2 मिनट बगाया देखा अरे ठीक ऐसा नहीं है वो. You observe the videos completely thoroughly. You will be the stronger in the mathematics. तो maths तो very important है. Very less candidates are there who is coming the mathematics nowadays. So delta y is equal to, upon delta x is equal to u delta v plus v delta u plus delta u delta v divided by delta x. So that is equal to u delta v upon delta x plus v delta u upon delta x plus delta u upon delta x into delta v. Now taking limits as delta x tends to 0. So limit delta x tends to 0, delta y upon delta x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 u delta v upon delta x plus limit delta x tends to 0. We use this theorem or directly we will use this theorem. U constant, we take outside, limit delta x tends to 0, delta v upon delta. Here v constant, we take outside, addition of limits. So delta u upon delta x plus limit delta x tends to 0, delta u upon delta x. Now multiplication with multiplication of limits. So limit delta x tends to 0, delta v. So we can write like this. Now here, by definition of derivatives, that is the second definition, Leibniz definition, limit delta x tends to 0, delta y upon delta x is equal to dy by dx. Limit delta x tends to 0, delta u upon delta x du upon dx. Limit delta x tends to 0, delta v upon delta x is equal to dv by dx. and as u and v are the functions of x, so and as delta x tends to 0, delta v also tends to 0. Suppose we name this first and the second region. So from first and second equation, first and second, so this is dy by dx is equal to u into this is dv by dx plus v into du by dx plus du upon dx, and as delta x tends to 0, delta v tends to 0, so 0. So that is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. So therefore d by dx of uv is equal to y is equal to uv, our function. So u dv by dx plus v du by dx. This is the proof, hence proof. So in short, the proof of the standard formulae, we are using first principle of derivative, that is the first definition of derivatives, and proof of the theorems, we are using the second definition of the derivatives, that is the Leibniz definition.